Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be a squishy review, not just a squishy review, popcorn squishy review. There's popcorn one here, so yeah, it's £3.70. So if you guys want to go and get one, you can. Joel's store. So it says popcorn on the front, and basically it's popcorn. It's slow rise, pretty nice feel to it. Smells okay. It's like great for just like when flipping it away because it's so fun. Like it's got good texture. You can't squeeze it proper hard in case you get it might break, so yeah. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed that video and see you again in the next one. Peace out.